Good afternoon. I hope this message finds you and your loved ones happy, healthy, and safe. At the Rick Schaefer Real Estate Team, we have always been very careful to respect our sellers' property and listen carefully to the special needs of our potential buyers. I'm convinced it won't be long until we'll be able to see each other again in person. Until then, I just want you to know that we're working to prepare in advance for whatever it will take to help you to realize your goals. When we get together, we will stay 6 feet apart and the wardrobe may change just a little. But as usual, you can count on us to help you through your real estate transaction safely. God bless you. Oh, and by the way, if you know of anyone that would appreciate the level of service that we provide, don't forget